friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Samyuktha Vinod. So today's video is going to be this makeup look. I've just recreated this look from one of my favorite YouTuber. It's Malvika Sitlani. So I have taken one of her look for today's video and I've recreated this. So I hope you liked it. So it's going to be a glam makeup look with a simple eye, bold pinkish red lips. So that's what you're going to see. I'm going to attach a picture as well so that you can see like how I've recreated. So of course, like for all recreation videos, as I said, like each one is different. So their facial structure and my facial structure will be totally different. She has used many high-end products as well in her video, but now I've created this entire look with using only the drugstore makeup product. That is not high-end, most affordable palettes and most affordable makeup products I've used to recreate this makeup look. So what I mean to say here is, it's not about the products, it's not about the cost, it's not about the money you invest into makeup to create a makeup. You can do it even with the low budget products also. On that note, let us start the video, and before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you'll not miss any of my video. And one more thing to mention, and do check till the end of the video, as I'll be just giving a glimpse of the next video. And moreover, if you want me to create any videos which is relating to my niche, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would be happy, I would love to do for you. So now let's head to the video. Alright, let's start. So with the Color Bar Illuminating Lotion. So this acts as an illuminating and moisturizing lotion. So as you saw already in the picture, she has got a very good dewy base. So now let's have a dewy glowy base. In order to achieve that, we need to use the product accordingly. So this product will help you to get a moisturizing as well as its illuminating effect. Next, in order to fill in the pores, to give a smooth canvas, we are using this Color Bar primer. So it's a very popular primer, we are using that. Next, in order to color correct the marks, as you see, I have a lot of pigmentation on my face. So in order to color correct, I'm using the NI base color correcting orange color stick. So this will help to cancel out the darkness and give the smooth and clear base. So what I'm going to do is, this is my style, and once the orange corrector is applied, I'm just taking this dry tissue and just dabbing on the faces, like on my face wherever I've applied the orange corrector, in order to avoid mixing up of color to the foundation. Now for foundation, I've used L'Oreal's Infallible 24 Hours Foundation. As you see, it's very runny, it's very thin, and as well as a good coverage foundation, from medium to high coverage foundation with a very thin texture and lightweight formula. So this is very ideal for when you want a fresh look. So I'm just applying it and using my beauty sponge. It's from PAC, and I'm using that to blend the foundation very well. So as I already have mentioned in many videos before, always use a beauty sponge whenever you're using the orange corrector, in order to avoid the movement of orange color beneath. So it might mix with your foundation. So always use a beauty sponge with that. So, and it gives you a natural and smooth effect too. So this foundation is, as I said, it's very dewy, it gives you a luminous effect. Next is the concealer. I'm using this Pro Conceal concealer from LA Girl, and it's the shade Creamy Beige, and this is very good high coverage, medium to high coverage concealer. It's slightly lighter than my usual shade, so that will help you to highlight the features required. Now I'm going to just dab everything as usual. I'm using the beauty sponge. I blended everything, and now in order to set the foundation and concealer in place, I'm using this Wet n Wild's contour palette and the shade yellow. The yellow shade. I'm using the yellow part of the contour palette, and with the same beauty sponge, this will ensure that the powder, it doesn't give you a powdery effect, and it gives you a very well blended powder effect. That is, the powder gets blended to your skin very smoothly, and it doesn't give you that powder feeling. So I'm using this method. Now in order to bronze up my face, I'm using the contour shade, that is the brown shade in the same palette, and I'm giving some structure to my face. As I said, like, my face is quite rounder in shape when compared to hers, and moreover we have used foundation and concealer to give some color. I'm just using the same it's a matte brown contouring powder. You can use bronzer as well for this, but for now, like for this tutorial, I'm using this Wet n Wild's contouring palette. So I'm just bronzing up or contouring wherever it is required. It's according to your facial structure, you can do it. Now I'm going to mix this pink and nude shade from Makeup Revolution blush palette. I'm just going to give a little high more of blush, because as you see in the picture, as you have seen in the picture, she has used a lot of colors, like most of pink color to her face, like there are more of blush on her face. So I'm using a little more than usual. I'm just doing it in my nose also. Even she has done the same in the nose also. I don't know how far this picture is capturing, but still, like a lot of color, but it is not my cup of tea. But still, in order to just create that look, I'm just recreate the look, I'm just doing this. In order to have a good cut on a jawline, I'm using the same yellow powder, and I'm just giving a good cut this method. I'm just dusting off the excess powder using a brush. To get a very good glow, I'm using this PAC Baked highlighter in 02. So this is the champagne color. It's a champagne color. There are a lot of shades in this range. I'm using the number 2 shade, which is very popular, and I took like few months to get this. It was out of stock for a long time. I'm not sure whether it is available now. I'll just check and put the link if possible. So it's very popular shade in this range, and it's a champagne color. So I did that, and now next I'm just going to fill in the brows. She has used very roughly. She didn't go much precise on her brows, so I'm just doing it roughly, not much. So I'm just filling in the brows very roughly. As you can see, look at the glow of the highlighter which it has given. So it's, as this is a look is mainly focusing on the glow, I'm used to this thing. It doesn't have any chunks also, so it's very good. Now let's move on to eye makeup. I'm using this warm light brown and orange color. It's both are matte color from Wet n Wild's Rose in the Air palette, and I'm going to use that as a transition color. So I'm using a blending brush for this, so which will help in having a smooth transition of color. Now this is Swiss Beauty palette. I'm using this two not shimmer, it's a shimmer color. It's a pink and a slightly nude pink color. I'm just mixing both, and I'm using my fingers to just gently apply it on my eyelids. That's all. It's very simple eye makeup. As I said, she used almost a high-end product for this. I guess she used some high-end product for this, but now I'm using just 200 to 500 rupees, below 500 rupees products. So like both are below 500 rupees. This palette is for 499, I guess, and for the other Swiss Beauty palette it's 250 rupees. I have a separate video for that, so you can go and check them out. I'll link it in the iCard above. And I'm using the same brown and orange color to the lower lashes as well. So it's a very simple look. You can use it for a daytime, and this eye makeup is very ideal for daytime as well. So I'm using the highlighter to highlight my brow bones, and I'm using this brown color. It's very pigmented. For 499 rupees you can get a very good palette. I would highly recommend to you get this product because it's so nice. So I'm using the same brown color as my eyeliner, and it's very pigmented, and I absolutely loved it. Now I'm using this PAC M75 lash, and I just sticked it, so I'm not going to include it in this video because I'm not that comfortable with using this using the eyelashes. Now I'm going to fill in the gaps using the same brown color which I've used earlier. To finish off my eye look, I'm using this mascara from Maybelline. It's a colossal mascara to my lower lashes, and I'm not going to use any kajal for this look, and I'm going to use the same mascara to blend in my false lashes along with my original lashes. And to finish off the look, I'm using this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade Heroine, and that's all guys. So the look is kinda complete, and here you go to see the full look. So this is the look. I tried recreating it. I think I just made a little justice to the look, and if I did so, please give me a good fat thumbs up and follow me on various social media sites like YouTube and Instagram. All the links are given in the description bar. So if you'd like to see any of the videos relating to my niche, please do let me know in the comment section below or DM me. I would be happy to do it for you. So next video is going to be this Cajun potato recipe. It's a barbecue nation's like signature dish, one of the signature dish from Barbecue Nation, and it's very easy to prepare at home. So please stay tuned to know how I did this recipe. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.